Oral surgery is one of the areas which has very slow access to the patients. There are limited amount of oral surgeons. Emergency are virtually not handled most of the time on a timely manner. The patients usually have a problem getting into the office when they need to. One of the reasons why it's happening is because the need is huge and the oral surgeons are just too busy and most of the time not available. That's why we wanted to have the oral surgeon on staff. It actually came from the necessity. We were referring our patients and they couldn't get in fast enough. And as a result of that, we decided, you know what, we need to take oral surgery as part of our concept of being many providers under one roof. Oral surgery is very important. First of all, it presents a real emergency most of the time. Second of all, very important to be able to talk to the patients about having the teeth restored in the future after extraction. Ultimately, we also need to figure out that what the timeline would be on these restorations, how the patient will be handling the situation of being without the tooth in the meantime until that implant is placed, until that implant is restored. So that's very important, and that's what we need to do at the time we discuss the extraction. Another aspect is wisdom teeth. Basically, there are a lot of problems with wisdom teeth when they are erupting. Very often they hurt, and we're talking most of the time about the younger people who are either in college or in and out of the home or on travel or someplace else, and that emergency can really cost them a lot of time, a lot of money, sometimes time off college. They need to take time and go to the oral surgeon, and very often they are not available right in the area readily. So we encourage the parents, whenever your kids are here in the area back from colleges, please let them do the regular checkup, let them come for cleaning, and let them be evaluated for the necessity of extraction of the wisdom teeth.